You need to hear this if you're a dog lover. Spotting sickness early can save your furry friend's life. Number 1, check their appetite. If your dog suddenly stops eating, it could be a red flag. Number 2, watch their energy levels. A normally active pup that's suddenly lazy? Not a great sign. Number 3, look at their coat. Dull or thinning fur can indicate health issues. Number 4, monitor their bathroom habits. Diarrhea or constipation? Time to call the vet. And lastly, number 5, pay attention to their breathing. Heavy panting or wheezing when they're not exercising? That's a big no-no. Stay observant. Keep your furry friend healthy, and don't hesitate to visit the vet if something feels off. Your doggo counts on you.